nyote. Hamjambo. Karibuni sana Meru. 2025 edition of the Kenya National Music Festivals, a celebration of rhythm, culture, creativity, and youthful brilliance. Today, the grounds of Kaaga come alive with the sounds of our national soul, the beat of tradition, the vibrancy of youth, and the spirit of unity. We joyfully welcome you to Meru, the very heart of Kenya. Meru, nestled near the majestic Nyambene Hills, is not only geographically central, but also symbolically significant, a land of peace and heritage, where the present meets the past and the future rises with confidence. Hosting this year's historic festival is not merely a matter of location. It is a statement of who we are and what is called Kaaga. Kaaga itself holds a sacred place in our history. It was here in the early 90s set up the first mission station at Kaaga, and from that humble beginning, literacy and Christianity hub and a beacon of priests and professionals in our county. Generations were shaped here. This ground is not just soil, it is sacred memory. When you walk around Kaaga today, you are walking through a living archive of Meru's educational and spiritual renaissance. And both reminds us that talent is not just a gift, it is a national asset. To our young performers, your stage is here. Your time is now. Shine with confidence, sing your truth, dance your heritage, speak your soul. Just like football stars, you carry the dreams of a nation. Meru is deeply proud to host participants and visitors from all 47 counties. We extend not only our hospitality, but our commitment to the creative economy and to youth development. Our landscapes, from the slopes of Mount Kenya to the sacred groves of Jorincheke, tell the story of our people rich in culture and spirit. I encourage all of you to explore our home. Visit Garedare Forest, Lake Ellis, Eombe Crater, and the world-renowned Lewa Conservancy. Sample our traditional dishes, chabe, sweet yams, bananas, and Mera juice. A crop rich in history, pride, and value. This festival's theme, enhancing the creative economy through artistic expression for sustainable development, speaks to the future of our country. Today, creativity is no longer an extracurricular afterthought. It is central to national growth, cohesion, innovation, and identity. Through music, we nurture unity and shared citizenship. When students from Turkana perform alongside those from Kwale, when a Taita song echoes in Kisumu, or a Luya beat flows in Isiolo, we see the Kenya not as a map of regions, but as a family of shared dreams. This festival is not only preserving our cultures, it is breathing new life into them. Our oral traditions, folk dances, and ancestral melodies are not museum relics, they are the living heartbeats of who we are. This stage has launched many stars, from the roots of Hangla and Mogithi to the echoes of Taarab and Afrofusion. Talented artists like Prince Inda, Samindo, Jose Gatutura, and our very own Kamanonto Twamwari, Single L, Nadia Mukiri, and Mr. Cross have emerged from such platforms. What begins as a school performance of education, they provoke thoughts, offer solutions, and awaken a collective responsibility. From peace building to mental health, from climate change to gender issues, the messages embedded in these performances can change hearts and shape policies. To our young people, Meru ni nyumbani, and so is Kenya. We are here with you. We are supporting thousands of learners with bursaries and scholarships from primary school to university and market linkages. We are also offering internship opportunities to hundreds of university and college students so that learning leads to earning and purpose leads to prosperity. Prepare the Meru Governors Cup and early next year, the Mount Kenya Mountain Run Marathon. These are not mere events. They are launchpads for talent, teacher, adjudicator, and parent here today. Thank you. Your sacrifice, your practice, your encouragement have made this festival possible. Behind every beautiful performance is a story of patience, passion, and perseverance. These are not only the values of great artists, they are the values of great nations. As Meru County, we express our deepest gratitude to tears and every person who made this possible. We also sincerely thank our County Commissioner and the entire security events. Your presence here honors us, and your trust humbles us. Let this festival be remembered not just for the medals and winners, but for the unit said that in Kaaga and now in Meru School, Kenya sang together, healed together, and envisioned a brighter future together. With those, ladies and gentlemen, I now declare the 2025 Kenya National Music Festivals or event is officially welcome.
Mungu wote tunakuamini, wote tunakuabudu, wote tunakusujudia. Naomba machache. Rabbina alamin. Amen. Tunaweza keti kidogo tu ili tupate vote of thanks. Bwana indimuli.
Thank you, Your Excellency. That was a great speech. The chief guest